Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to activate the Microsoft Azure Student Plan. If you're a student and you want to explore cloud computing, build projects, or try different Microsoft services without paying for them, the Azure Student Plan can be really helpful. It gives students access to a variety of cloud tools and resources that are commonly used in development, data analysis, and many other tech fields. In this video, we'll go through the process together so you can understand how students can get access to these benefits and start using Azure for learning and experimentation. Whether you're studying IT, programming, data science, or just curious about cloud platforms, this is a great place to start. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, we need to search up Azure for Students, then click the first link which takes us to a new page where we can see Start Free written in blue, which we are going to click. After that, it takes us to a new tab which contains Academic Verification. Remember, this only appears if you have an account. If you don't have one, create one. Then read the instructions carefully. After that, fill out the form, and it would be preferable if you use your school email address. After finishing this, press the button Verify Academic Status, which is in blue. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope this guide helped you understand how to activate the Microsoft Azure Student Plan and take advantage of all the free tools and resources it provides for students. Remember, exploring platforms like Azure is a great way to practice cloud computing, experiment with projects, and build skills that are in high demand in the tech industry. Even if you're just starting out, using these tools can give you hands-on experience that's really valuable for learning and future career opportunities. So, that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.